BJ26. చెక్ చేస్తానంటావు అందు చూడది ఫోన్లోనే. నీ పట్ల సార్ వచ్చిందే. లైవ్ అయిందే. ఓకే, లైవ్ అయిందే. Hi guys, so welcome to Go Online Trainings. My name is Bhaskar Jogi. So data analytics and data engineering using Azure, creating many opportunities for the IT people or non-IT people. Only thing is that you need to have a good understanding of SQL, especially for the data analytics using Power BI. And Power BI anybody can learn, but many people are missing today. They are not concentrating on SQL. So data analytics is more about data oriented activities or the tasks that you have to do it. So people are misguided saying that you need to learn Excel or advanced Excel, or people are also telling you to learn Python. So Python you can learn as part of data analytics course, but Python is for more advanced analytics. If you wanted to do, we can go in for Python. Even Excel is not recommended a lot, but what is that you need to learn in data analytics? One is Power BI and more SQL. SQL Server, Oracle, Netezza, MySQL, any one SQL tool you need to learn, and one data warehousing, and plus one ETL tool and data modeling. So if you know these skills, one is called Power BI, second one SQL, third one ETL, data modeling, and after that you do internship with us. So we are going to be providing minimum 2 to 4 projects, so that after 3 months of a training for data analytics, you can do a 3 more months of internship with us, so that total 6 months you can become a data analyst. So anybody can become a data analyst today at the age of 20, 30, 40, 50s also. People are joining, especially from the banking sector or IT sector or non-IT sector. So many people are getting into IT sector, especially from the non-IT, because of AI. Lot of repetition activities are getting closed, or AI is automating it. So people are worried today. So many people from BPO, they're having 6-7 years of experience, but working for the night shifts and earning only 4 to 5 lakhs per month, right? So those kind of a people can now look into the opportunities in the IT industry towards data analytics and data engineering. Data analytics is completely for for the no coding, low coding background, right? So you can easily get into no coding, low coding. BPO people, you need to come out. So BPO people, night shift people, if you're not getting more than 1 lakh of rupees per month, or more than 2 lakh rupees not a month, you have to invest your time, your energy, everything with in you only. You need to invest money, time only to update yourself. But people are working for 20-30,000 rupees today, and they're always worried about AI is going to eat my job, or we do not have any jobs. People are not following any mentors. People wanted to complete everything within 1 hour, or people wanted to do everything with themselves. So if you don't have a mentor properly, learning a course, doing a course completely useless, right? So that is what is very much important. If you have any questions regarding data analytics, data engineering, so with over 25 years of experience, I'm having in IT industry, I can suggest the proper, guidance, right? So I'm live today. If you have any questions regarding data analytics or data engineering using Azure, what are the opportunities for the cloud? So how soon you can get the job? What are the job market in India for the cloud, especially Azure data engineering, big data engineering, and data analytics using Power BI? In 2026 also, can I learn data analytics? If you have any questions like that, so you will be able to ask me. I also give my direct number. Anybody wanted to talk to me directly after the live, you can also reach me on my number. My number is 9919919452. Right? So people can come and ask questions regarding data analytics. So or data engineering, sir, I don't like coding. What kind of a job role I can play? Or I love some kind of a coding, but I have a huge career gap. 8 years, 10 years, 11 years, I'm a housewife currently. I don't have any opportunities. Can I get into data analytics or data engineering today? If yes, how soon I can get into the IT industry, right? So that is what people are going to be asking. I can strongly recommend that you will be able to get minimum, as a fresher in data analytics field, you can get 8 to 10 lakhs package. A lot of BCom guys, botany, zoology guys, even B pharmacy, D pharmacy, by BTech agriculture and BTech mechanical. These people are, coming into the IT industry. Freshers are coming 2023, 2024 passed out, and they're learning the tools and getting into the IT industry as a fresher. But if you don't have any, work experience, and you have a, lots of career gap, so 5 6 years of career gap when you have it, so you need to go in for the, experience. But only thing is that if you go in for bigger companies like Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini, BGV will be very, very difficult. So if you wanted to keep the documentation, you need to go for the smaller level companies like level 3, level 4 companies where they don't see your PF accounts, even though you have double PF, triple PFs, they don't worry about it, right? So only thing is that, so people who do not have proper experience, learn the technology today. Step number one, learn the technology today with the proper mentor, good mentor. Second thing, you go for the level 3 or level 2 companies. I'm not talking about startups. Startups may not be able to pay good amount of salary, but with 100 crore, turnover, 500 crore turnover, lot of bigger companies are there. They need the people. They don't, go for the BGVs and everything. You can get a job there and work for, 1 or 2 years, and come out. You will be able to learn a lot many things in the chota mota companies, right? After that, you can get the real time exposure and jump into the bigger companies. So that is what you can do, right? So Vasudev is asking, sir, I'm 40 years old. Currently, I'm working as a production chemist in the bulk drug pharmaceutical, and I learned Azure data engineering and Power BI also. Can I switch to IT? Yes, you are right candidate, Vasu. You have to do the projects and in Power BI and Azure data engineering. So a lot of my students after my training, they got 3 3 4 4 offer letters. If you don't have real time internship or the projects, it will be difficult for you to get into. So wherever you have learned, ask them to support you for the projects. If not, you can also call me and you can talk to me. I have given my number 9919919452. You will be able to reach us and we will be able to help you guys. Okay. So many people are learning, right? Courses in 30 40 days courses they are completing, but I don't think so you will be able to get the bigger jobs with this kind of a knowledge. So data analytics minimum 3 to 6 months, data engineering will take 6 to 9 months to complete it. So you need to do minimum 2 to 4 projects there. So I strongly recommend, so ask the internship. Many people will be explaining about the projects. If they explain the project, you will not be able to remember anything to cover in the interview. You do projects with your hands. So we are going to be providing as part of data analytics 3 months only on the projects. That is the internship we are providing data analytics. So tomorrow Morning 8 o'clock, we are starting new data analytics batch. Interested candidates can ping me in my mobile number so that they will be able to join tomorrow, second day of data analytics, morning 8 o'clock, guys. So tomorrow IST morning 8 o'clock, so Indian standard timing IST, you can join. If anybody needs what do you say, if you need more and more knowledge about data analytics, opportunities in data analytics and data engineering, you can join tomorrow live class, live demo, morning 8 a.m. IST tomorrow, guys. Okay, sure. Any other questions anyone has? So many people think that they have a lot of knowledge, or they're not following anything. Randomly they see the content. So randomly, if you're following the content, nothing will happen. You need to focus on complete a proper mentor's help, right? That is what is very much recommended, right? So seeing free content and not able to take proper decisions, and people always worried about ये चलेगा क्या, recession हो रहा है in 2026, everything is now automated, no, can I get a job? Many people will be having this kind of a doubts. If you have this kind of a doubts, you compulsorily attend my live data analytics demo tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. I'm going to be starting. So that is what. So now, good question. Pushpa Raj is asking, sir, does data analytics has a future? It has a lot many future. As long as data you have a future for data analytics and AI, right? Because out of data, you have two branches. One is data analytics branch. The second one is called a data, science or AIML branch. So out of data, two branches will come. So one is called right hand and left hand. So nobody can replace right hand with the left hand with the right hand. Data analytics, people are worried about basic data analytics. Companies will have complex data. Data analyst is not going to be only working at the visualizations. Okay, data analyst is the guy who's going to be always working with the data. So what wrongly people are understanding is data visualization means only creating reports, and that we can do with the help of AI. That is what people are thinking or misguiding. So that is not you're going to be doing. You are going to be working with the complex data sets. You're going to be working with complex data modeling. You're going to be working a lot of expressions, calculations. It is not visualization. Data analytics is all about visualizations, but that is the end. But before that, you have to work with the data, complex data sets where you need to work. That is where you will have a plenty of opportunities. So data analytics internally has a data engineering capabilities. So people who know SQL, people who know data modeling, people who can write complex DAX queries, people who can understand bigger data sets, they'll have much more opportunities in data analytics as well. Clear? Pushpa. So that is what you got to understand. So any offline classes in Hyderabad? So unfortunately, we do not have any offline classes, but you can attend tomorrow's live demo, so that I will be, you can understand very good content in the on online as well. But if you have any doubts, you can come to my office in Kukatpalli. You will be able to get much more opportunities, guys. Okay, so I wanted to uh, give you tomorrow's demo link. If anybody wanted to join tomorrow's Power BI demo, so you will welcome. So I'm going to be giving you the link, guys. You can simply go there and join now. Okay, so that is what I can tell you guys, right? So we do not have a classroom classes, but after the class, online class, you can come and attend and practice, guys. Okay, so that is what I can say. Abhiram. Okay, so analytics has a future, but people are learning more Power BI. So people are learning more Power BI. You don't have any future at all. Power BI is only 30% used. Remaining 70% SQL, data modeling, right? DAX queries writing, and dimension modeling, data warehousing concept. Lot of other things are going to be focusing on data analytics. So don't worry about only Power BI. So Power BI is only 30%. Remaining things, SQL, ETL, data modeling, all these things you need to know. You are going to be working with the bigger data sets. So Abhiram, so you can just call my team 90000. So they will be able to tell you the office address. Okay. So I have given the number. So you can call tomorrow. So morning 10 to evening 7, my office hours, timing hours. So just ask them and they'll give you the address, Abhiram. Okay? Chalo. Guys, I have given the tomorrow's morning 8 o'clock meeting link for data analytics. Data analytics is not creating a visualization. I'm telling you many times. Many people are talking about if I create a beautiful visualization, now I'm a data analyst. Answer is no. You have to work with the data. Data means SQL, right? So people who know SQL very well, data modeling very well, or understanding complex data sets very well, data sets cleaning work, cleansing the data set, removing the duplicates, identifying the nulls, lot of other operations. If you're doing, you are the hot candidate in the data analytics role. So one guy said data analytics as a future or not. I'll give you one simple example. One guy joined with me in 2023 for my data analytics course. He was working in hospital in Tirupati and earning 50,000 rupees per month as a operations admin. So that guy, BCom guy, working for more than 80 years. Now today he got a job last year with the 14 lakhs package. Now today he got second offer letter with Society General with 24 lakhs, 55,000 rupees to 14 lakhs, and the next year 24 lakhs. Within 2 years, he got almost 200% hike. If the data analytics does not have an opportunity, how companies are giving 55,000 rupees to 14 lakhs package with 1 year of experience, he got Society General, the second company, with 24 lakhs. It means that if you know subject, so people can get bigger packages. BCom guys are cracking this kind of a jobs. But unfortunately, the other side, BPO guys, BTech guys, mechanical guys, so they're working for the BPO. Why you should work for the BPO? You tell me one answer. Why you need to work? Why have to work for 20, 30,000 rupees overnights? You need to come, switch, and try to understand some technologies and be with the proper mentors. That is what I say. Many people, they don't choose mentors. They read random videos. They see the free content here and there. They don't have any mentors. So those people will lose the opportunities because random content will not guide you. Random content will not give you clear-cut roadmap, right? It is strongly recommended that you need to have one guru. Whether you take me as a guru or you can go and join any institution, take one good guru as your mentor and try to go and try to implement whatever you wanted to learn, that you need to implement, right? So I strongly recommend data analytics. Even today much more opportunities, and even data engineering also have much more opportunities. But data engineering where Azure and SQL, Python, it is a coding activity, right? Data engineering will be coding one. So you will be able to go and try to implement, coding and data engineering. But this coming Saturday, morning 8 o'clock, we're planning for Azure Data Engineering. So anybody is interested, so you can call our numbers and anytime we will be able to help you guys. And if you have any questions, you will be able to ask me, guys. Have any questions, Sunaya? So if you have anything to ask, so I'm there. I will be able to help you, guys. Anything to ask? So end of the day, what is very much important is that you have to go and having the proper mentors. And we are also in our demo classes, we're also planning to tie up with HRs of bigger companies nowadays, and we're inviting HR from Deloitte and HR from Capgemini. They're going to be coming and addressing in the in your academic sessions. When you join with us, you will understand how the recruitment is going to be happening in their companies, what is the procedures and the policies, and they will be able to guide you guys. Okay, so that is what also from this year we are going to be starting, especially from February onwards. We're going to be starting the HR consultation from the bigger companies. Clear? Chalo guys, if you have any questions, you can reach out us and we can meet probably after a few days in live classes, guys. Chalo, take care. Bye bye.